Good morning. Myself, Dr. K. Radhika, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Agricultural Engineering, SNSCT, Coimbatore. Today, we are going to discuss about vermicomposting technique. Let's see one by one. And we covered these are the topics are covered in these vermicomposting techniques. What is vermicomposting? Then how does vermicomposting takes place? Then how can vermicompost be used? What are the benefits of vermicompost? What are the categories of soils are used for the vermicomposting techniques? What is vermicomposting? Vermicomposting is use of worms and microorganisms to change plant tissues into vermicompost that is rich in nutrients. Plant tissues in the worm bin is consumed by worms, making them consumers. This is called as vermicomposting. Then, where can I vermicompost? Which place we can vermicompost? Let's see. Can take place in classroom, offices, and homes wherever food scraps or other organic matter is being generated or delivered, being used to help solve NC Hawk waste problems, nitrogen carbon hawk waste problems. Food scrap that can be used in worm bins include fruits and vegetables. Don't use this is an excuse to not eat your vegetables. Then the organic matter that worms eat passes through their digestive tract is excreted at casting. It's what do you mean by casting? It's that nothing but organic matter that worms eat passes through their digestive tract is excreted is called as castings. And the microbes and help the microorganisms helps to decompose the organic matter in the worm bin. What are the worms used in? Some worms are used for the digestion. Casting contain undigested plant residues, bacteria and soil. Casting improve soil and helps plant grow big and healthy. Then how do casting help plants and soil? They break clumps of soil in pieces that allow air and water to enter into the soil. They add nutrients to soil that are needed to plants to grow plants. Vermicomposting give some of the new major nutrients to the soil they needed for the plant growth. Then how can casting be using? Casting can be mixed in gardens, on lawns, around trees, and in nurseries, on farm fields for house plants. Then advantage of vermicompost. What are the advantages? It reduces garbage disposal cost, produces less odor, and attracts few pests, and saves electricity and water used for in-sink garbage disposal, produce free high quality soil amendment, then require little space, labor or maintenance, produces free homes for fishings. Then earthworm in history. Aristotle described them as the intestines of the earth. Cleopatra declared earthworms scared and established laws to protect them. Charles Darwin demonstrated them improved soil and productivity. It's improve the earthworms, improve the soil because of giving the nutrient to the soil and grow the plant and automatically give the increase the productivity. Then Marcel Bausch categories of verb: ebigic, endogic, anasic. Ebigic types lives on soil surface in decaying plant or animal residues. Then endogenic types live underground and eat soil to extract nutrients from degraded organic waste. Anasic types burrow deep in the soil but comes to surface at night to forage for freely decaying organic matter. Then worm facts. Over 4,000 species are largest ever in 22 feet. We found out 4,000 species. The smallest worm is half inch. Then these are the Marcel Bausch's category of worms. And then ebigic. This is one of the surface decaying plants or animal residues. So it's decaying the surface containing waste material like fruits and vegetable waste material. So grabbing the material in the soil surface material. Endogenic means some of the nutrients substances present in the underground of the soil. So eat some soil to extract nutrition from degraded organic waste under the ground. Anesix means is borrow the soil into the borrow deeply into the soil and come to the surface at night and for freshly decaying organic matter. Thank you one and all.